Hi everyone, welcome to week 12. I got a couple students that said there was a lot of week work due in week 11, so I am going to put up your second exam and then I'm going to leave everything else for now. So if you've not finished week 11, you can have some time to do that. A reminder that if you cannot make a clay or a dough, make sure you reach out to me because I know that these are some strange times. So your exam is open, will be open at midnight, and it will be open for, well, I can open it as long as you need it. I'll kind of keep an eye on how people are doing. Um, and then I'd like you to think about your Pinterest board. So you're going to be adding 3 new categories to your Pinterest board, or you're going to be adding art that lays flat, you're going to be adding 3D art, you're going to be adding different recipes for clays and doughs, and master artists. So there's 4 categories, and I'll write that up. I hadn't written that up yet, but I'll write that up as an addition to make sure that you're keeping up on your Pinterest board. If you go into the week, this just shows you the exam and what the exam's on, and then I will add that Pinterest, just a reminder that you should add those categories to your Pinterest board, okay? I hope everyone has a fantastic week. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you next week.